ba rin itong isa ka nagluto? Kaya mga professional lang ito ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the result of bout number 18, winner by RSE at 2 minutes and 20 seconds of the very first round. The winner and the blue corner, Tyron J. Eliusa.
Sambuca del Norte ka na nakablo.
Congratulations.
Sambuca del Norte ka na nakablo.